just 1 week, I had $7,000 of prop firm payout denied. PSA, this is not me calling out any prop firm or trying to bash an industry. This is a real life experience, something that I experienced personally myself. And I'm on here to share with you guys what this whole process has been like. If you're new to the channel, my name is Kenneth Full Margin. I'm the realest trader in the game. I'm on here telling you guys the truth and busting every single myth that's behind trading. So 2 weeks ago, I requested 2 payouts. One was $5,000 and the other one was $7,000 by one particular prop firm. And what happened was that they denied both payouts. Now, were there like really any reason why in particular that they denied the payouts? Not really, because the emails that they did send to me didn't really make sense. And even when I tried to reach out to them and to request some kind of I'll call it like some kind of clarification on why this payout was denied, they really didn't say much. They just aired the email, which they didn't reply, and just like that, $7,000 gone down the drain. Now, going through something like this would make people a bit skeptical about trading with prop firms. Me, regardless of this particular situation just happened to me, would I always advise traders to go to prop firm? Of course, if you're profitable, if you're newbie and you're profitable and you're looking for a way to maximize your capital, I would always recommend you go for prop firms. After having to go through that experience, I started asking myself some questions, and one particular question that kept on popping onto head was, is trading prop firms really that sustainable? Now, this is a question that has been thrown around so many times in the trading industry ever since prop firms came into the game. And I thought to myself, instead of answering that question straight away to you guys, giving you a direct answer right now, why not show you guys exactly how this question will be answered? So what I decided to do, for 30 days, what I decided to do was I was going to get prop firm accounts, trade that account for 30 days, pass it, get payouts from them. And whenever I get the payouts, the idea of getting the payouts is after you get the payouts, I get a bigger size of an account. I have to keep doing this. So eventually get into the max allocation for that prop firm, and then we diverse to a different prop firm. The whole idea is capital maximization. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that I always emphasize on capital maximization. The more payouts you get, the larger you should look into growing your capital in order to keep it sustainable, you know? What we did after some research and background check, I picked the best prop firm that has been for me, prop firm that I've not really had any issues with them, never had any payout denied. If you don't want to be stuck in the train of having the heart that, oh, this people might deny my payout, you better listen up, you know? I've never had any issues with them. Every single time that I've had an account with them, it's gone smoothly. Customer support is on point. Beautiful community and diverse account. You know, the crazy thing there is that most popular prop firms, you know, other than FTMO, every other single prop firm, you know, they all offer you accounts in US dollars. But this particular prop firm, top of the game, TTT Markets, not only do they offer US dollars, they offer euro, and they offer pounds. So if you're a trader there out there in the world that you're like, I'm tired of using USD dollars, you know, to trade accounts, you can get euro, you can get pounds. Diverse, that is something I'm looking for. And then their max allocation is top to the moon. Almost 400k in max allocation. The spreads on the accounts are immaculate. But really, saying all this without really showing you guys proof, does that really make sense? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you guys to the system. I'm going to show you guys exactly what a TTT market website and dashboard would really look like when you do get an account. Let's go. Yes, welcome to the system. This is the TT Markets I've been telling you guys about, you know. Look at that. Don't worry about the designs. We're not here to look at the website design. The website design won't really feed you. But there's something really interesting that I'm about to show you guys right here. You see, for TTT Markets, they've been around for since 2022, and on the good side, they offer MetaTrader 5, which is, but that's not what we're here though. I have more to show you guys. So right here, you can see what they offer. They really offer you Forex, gold, for my guys that can't live without trading gold. There's metal, there's commodities, there's indices, there's crypto. My crypto boys, we're right here for you as well. Don't worry. I got every single one of you guys covered. Don't worry. And you can see they're working with 20,000 plus traders, 140 countries served, $2.5 million in payouts. Come on now. $2.5 million. You think they're gonna deny me $7,000? Come on, boys. You have to lock in. And then you can see the average rating is 4.7. 4.7. Tell me what other platform has that type of average. Come on, tell me. I'm listening. I'll wait for just tell me. What's that? None. Exactly. 500 plus tradable assets. So you have more than enough options. More than enough options for you to make it this year. 2026, I told you guys, you have to either make it or go back home. There's four funding models, and that's where I'll show you guys straight away what the funding models are looking like. This is what a certificate will look like if you do get to that payout stage. But 2026, I trust every single one of you will make it. So I'll show you guys what the funding programs look like. There we go. It's loading up. Like I said at the first half of the video, they offer you three different currencies. Other than FTMO, which other platform is really doing this other than TTT Markets? Come on. There's three different currencies. There's USD, which is the United States dollars. There's the Great British Pounds, and then there's the Euro. Me, personally, I always go for the Euro because that's where I'm at. So I don't have to go through the whole process of having to convert from dollars to Euro, and getting less than what I'm supposed to get. But when you pick the right currency for yourself, come on. There's nothing like conversion rate anymore for you. You click withdraw, bam, it will land in your bank account and you start smiling big, So you can see right there, you can see all the offers that they have. There's a one-step instant funded model. There's a one-step funded model. There's a two-step. There's the instant funded, and then there's subscription. I've never tried the subscription, but this shit is looking nice. You have a $5,000 account. All you have to be doing is paying 29 euros every month to keep it activated. So even if you do blow the account, subscribe. You subscribe, refresh, instead of you going out of your way again to purchase another one. But you can see all the funding models that they have. They have the standard and they have the light, which is two different funding procedures. I would just advise you go for the two-step, because the two-step, the environment you're put in is more conducive. You're more likely to breathe, like let me take a breath. But so I know some of you lack patience. Some of you go for first step. Go for one step. If you're really good, go for one step. If you're consistent, you know that your strategy, you're consistent and you're disciplined, go for instant. Go for instant straight away. You have the option for $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, $200,000. 1% of $200,000. Is that not $2,000? So if you're just making 1% every month, you're chilling. You're chilling. But that's not all. Let me just scroll down one more. Bam. What am I looking at? $350,000 and $500,000. Pounds, dollars, euro. You have it. Before you think it's all in euro, when you go to British pounds, 500,000 British pounds. You go to USD, 500,000 USD. Make 1%. You're floating around consistently. So this is the profile I'll be going with. If you want a good account with them and you're looking for a cheeky discount code to bring your stuff down, use code EFM. I'll put it up on the screen eventually for you guys to see. If you're looking for a way to get with these guys, trusted by me, click the link in the description and cop yourself one nice TTT Markets. Let's go. All right. We were able to cop a 50,000 euro prop account with TTT Markets, and roughly in the span of 3 days, we were able to pass phase one. If you want to see the video for how we eventually got to pass phase one, it's on my Instagram Reels, YouTube Reels, and my TikTok. So you can go there and watch the short form. Didn't really have time to record the whole long version because I was moving, so didn't really have that time. But I made like a bit of snippets here and there, the trades that I took. I showed them on my other platform. So if you want to see that, follow me on Instagram, go to my page, you'd see it. It's literally titled, is Prop Firm, is Trading Prop Firm Sustainable Day Part 1 or Day 1, whichever title I gave it. So now, currently speaking to you as we speak, it's Thursday, 11:42, and what we have now is the phase 2. We currently have the phase 2 of the accounts, and hopefully we're able to, not hopefully, I'm pretty sure I'm going to pass the phase 2 as well, but the next time you'll be seeing my video is me telling you guys that I've passed my phase 2 and we're going to the funded stage and getting to the process of, getting a cheeky payout. The payout is every 14 days, so that's not really a problem. Trade like 5 days, 5 profitable days, and you're chilling, If you want to give yourself a really good account, go work with the best prop firm that that's reliable. 2.8 million in payouts. Come on now. You think they're gonna deny you your $500 or $100? If you're looking for the best prop firm right now, that's the most versatile, immaculate spread, currency options, and 500 plus tradable assets, go to TTT Markets. Use code EFM. Ikene full margin, EFM, and you get yourself a nice sweet discount to cop a good one. So what I'll do now is I'll take you guys to the chart, show you a bit of the trades that I took, a quick run through of the trades that I've taken. So let's go. 0. So that basically sums up the video. The next time you'll be seeing a video is me probably requesting a payout or updating you guys on my phase 2 and if I made it to funder stage. If you're enjoying the content, if you like what you're seeing, like, subscribe. It really motivates me to, come out and do this for you guys. I'll always come here and tell you the truth. There's nothing to hide. I do as best as I can to be straightforward with every single one of you. If you have questions regarding prop firms, you can leave the question in the comment section. You can reach out to me. I'm always willing to help, give you the source you need for this 2026. And if you want to get yourself a good account, go to TTT Markets or click the link in the description. Use code EFM and cop yourself a sweet account. You know what? Because I'm feeling nice. If you cop yourself an account and you reach out to me, I'll add you to the community straight away. No, add it to the community, answer all the questions you need. I'll be like your personal customer support. If you ever have a problem with TTT Markets, you reach out to me. And as far as you went from my link that I referred you, bro, I've got you. So see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your weekends. Cop yourself a sweet account. Don't blow your account. Stay consistent, guys. Let's go.